calling all kitchen enthusiasts and flavor aficionados. Get ready to embark on a culinary odyssey with our carefully curated selection of the top 5 air fryers for 2024. These kitchen marvels are not just appliances, they're your culinary companions, promising a symphony of taste, health, and innovation. Let's dive into the heart of innovation. Let's kick off our journey with the 𝐏𝐮𝐬𝐴 Air Fryer Oven Pro 2 5.8 𝐾D, a Californian gem that's redefining air frying. Elevate your cooking experience with customizable functions, allowing you to save your favorite time and temperature presets. The Adapt IQ technology ensures rapid 360 degrees air circulation, delivering delightfully crispy textures and even results every time. With 12 one-touch cooking functions, including steak, seafood, and even a preheat option, this air fryer is a versatile addition to any kitchen. The personalized shake reminder and a cookbook filled with 100 chef-created recipes make this a true culinary companion. Serving 3 to 5 people with its spacious 5.8-quart basket, it's a Californian innovation that brings the Golden State's culinary prowess to your kitchen. Now, let's turn our attention to the Air Fryer Toaster Oven 10-quart, a powerhouse designed to revolutionize your kitchen routine. This 7-in-1 marvel employs advanced technology, driving airflow from top to bottom for perfect golden results and crispy, tender textures every time. With 10 customizable programs, including one-touch grilling options, rapid heat cycle technology ensures your food is cooked approximately 50% faster than in a conventional oven. Boasting a large capacity of approximately 10 quarts, this air fryer is perfect for serving 5 to 7 people. From fast preheating to precise temperature control, this culinary workhorse is a kitchen symphony in motion. Prepare to be wowed by the Ninja DZ201 Footy 8-quart dual-zone air fryer, the original air fryer with 2 independent baskets, offering you the ability to cook 2 foods, 2 ways, simultaneously. With dual-zone technology, you have the option to choose between the Smart Finish feature or use the Match Cook button to copy settings across zones for a full 8 QT capacity. This 6-in-1 wonder not only air fries, but also broils, roasts, bakes, reheats, and dehydrates. The separate heating zones, easy cleaning features, and automatic shutoff ensure a seamless and safe cooking experience. The Ninja DZ201 is not just an air fryer, it's a culinary revolution in your kitchen. Now, let's explore the elegance of the 𝐏𝐮𝐬𝐴 TOA70 Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, a premium 1800-watt culinary maestro designed with versatility in mind. With 8 cooking functions, including air fry, toast, convection bake, and grill, this stainless steel wonder can handle everything from toasting 6 slices of bread to air frying 3 pounds of chicken wings. The adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector ensure superior operation. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe accessories, making this 𝐏𝐮𝐬𝐴 model a timeless addition to your kitchen. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer, an XL 8-quart family-size marvel that's about to transform your culinary experience. Dive into the world of digital air frying, relishing crispy delights with a staggering 98% less oil. Boasting one-touch magic with presets for fries, chicken, fish, and meat, this stainless steel beauty simplifies your cooking adventures. The LED shake reminder ensures perfection with every dish, prompting you to shake for even crispiness. With precise temperatures ranging from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, effortless cleaning, and intelligent shutoff prioritizing safety, this Chefman model is designed for quick family cooking, making it a sleek, spacious, and intelligent addition to contemporary kitchens. There you have it, the top 5 air fryers for 2024, each a culinary masterpiece offering a unique blend of innovation, versatility, and style. Transform your kitchen into a haven of flavor, health, and efficiency. If you're ready for a culinary revolution, hit subscribe and join us on this exciting journey. Until next time, let the flavors flow and the innovation shine. Happy cooking!